Okay, I have to confess, I just made these gluten-free, dairy-free cannolis, and no exaggeration, they are the next level good. Like, how are these even real kind of good? The shells are crisp and golden, the filling is creamy and dreamy, and best of all, no gluten, no dairy, and no missing out. This officially might be my new favorite dessert. So cozy up because I'm about to show you how to make a treat that'll totally steal the show at your next gathering or just totally spoil you on a weeknight. So let's get to it. First, I'm going to put 2 spoons of an egg replacer. Flax seeds will do just fine as well. I'm going to stir this with warm water and let this sit for about 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to put half a cup of rice flour in this bowl. Rice flour will make the cannoli nice and crunchy. A third of a cup of almond flour. And then a third of a cup of cassava flour. Altogether, it will make the cannolis light, chewy, and nutty. Now you can add the egg replacer to the flours. I got 2 tablespoons of coconut oil going into this. You can use avocado oil, and this is used as a replacement for shortening. A quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. Did you know that cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar and improves brain health? A quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, and I love using nutmeg when I bake for that sweet, peppery undertone. Less than a quarter cup of maple syrup. The type of sweetness and amount depends on you. I am adding half a cup of coconut milk, any milk will do, a little bit at a time, and just mixing this all together. You can even use your hands and just mix this all together. I am also adding a teaspoon of vinegar since the acidity in this will balance the sweetness. Now I'm just going to go ahead and let this rest in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Now that we have made the dough for the exterior or the shell of the cannoli, now we're going to move on to the filling of the cannoli. Add half a cup of coconut milk and a quarter cup of almond milk and let this boil on very low flame. When you see a few bubbles pop up, put the gas off. We don't want the milk to curdle. Don't forget to stir this together as well. Now I'm getting the ingredients ready to add to the milk. I got 2 spoons of an egg replacer, flax seeds or any other egg replacer will do as well. I also added 2 or 3 tablespoons of maple syrup since I want the filling of the cannoli to be kind of sweet. Now I'm going to add the egg replacer to this bowl and I'm just going to mix this all together. Next, I'm going to take half of the milk, not all of the milk, and I'm going to slowly add this to the maple syrup and the egg replacer and whisk this fast. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cornstarch, any starch will do, and this is just to thicken this up. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the egg mixture back into the milk, put the gas on low and whisk this all together. Now let this rest and let's get ready for forming the cannolis. Now I got my dough, my rolling pin and rice flour all ready. I wiped out the table and I'll put the flour on it and we'll roll out the dough. First I spread flour on the table so the dough doesn't stick to the table. Then take a round formation and press this into the dough. I used the clean lid of a mason jar to help me with this. Keep on rolling and pressing the dough until all the dough is used. Then I put some oil on my hands and I took a piece of the dough and rolled this up to look like a cannoli. I also took a fork to press this down so it doesn't open up. Then I popped this into a preheated oven to bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I let this cool down for a little while. Then I took my filling mixture, put it in a Ziploc bag, and cut a small piece at the end corner of this. And finally, it was time to fill up the cannoli shells. And yes, I did eat some of these. Okay, a lot of these, and they were so good. I dipped the ends of the cannolis in melted chocolate and chopped almonds and cashews to give it a little extra crunch. Each bite I took had a delicate light crunch of the gluten-free shell The filling was smooth and luxurious cream. It was subtly sweet that just melts on your tongue. The chocolate and nuts at the end of the cannoli added bursts of deep cocoa and buttery roasted crunch. It was a perfect dance of texture and flavor with just a hint of coconut sunshine. Yes, I did dance a lot while eating this, but I mean, how can you not dance? Oh, and when you have this with the dairy-free matcha latte, oh wow, it's like you're in heaven. The video for the matcha latte is on my channel and you will see this too after this video. Thank you for watching this, guys. Don't forget to give this a like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free recipes. And have a great day, guys. Cheers. Mm. Mm-mm.